Hey everyone, Joshua14 back with another product review video, and this is the Inateck Surface Go keyboard for the Surface Go, which features Bluetooth 5.1. Without further ado, we're going to get right into it and check out the features. Alrighty, so we are going to check out the features of this Surface Go Bluetooth keyboard from Inateck. And it is Bluetooth 5.1, which they said provides a faster and more stable connection. It also has a 7-color backlight, which is very handy. So if you hold down the power button here, you'll get the colors, and then if you hit the function key and the right arrow, you can change it. This is a light blue, dark blue, red, purple, green, I like the green myself, yellow, and a white color. So we'll go back to, we hit the down arrow to go, well that actually makes it more intense or not. That's pretty nice. But to change the colors, you just hit the right arrow again. So I like the green. And it has pretty much all the same keys as the other official one from Microsoft, but I do actually like that the key travel is actually a little bit further in depth, and all you have to do to pair it is to go to your settings and the Bluetooth, and you have to hit function P, and that will use this little light here flashing blue, or it'll be blue, so that you can connect it. So it's actually really easy to use, and the only thing I would say that's different from the official one is that this, and I'll show you right here, the trackpad is a little bit smaller, and if you'll see here, there's the right click and left click. The left click actually takes a little bit more to press in than the official one, and I would also say the magnet on the front here that actually keeps it clamped is not as strong, but as you can see here, you still do have the magnet there, and it still does use the same little clips so that you can clip it in, which is very convenient. So while it is made for the Surface Go, you can actually use it with your smartphone, with anything that uses Bluetooth and accepts a keyboard, which is very convenient. And it does have a built-in 750 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium battery. And with the battery, you do have a charging port right here on the bottom right, which is a micro USB, which it comes with the full-size USB to micro USB cable in the box, which unfortunately you can't hook directly to your Surface Go, and you will need to use a dongle. But if you've had your Surface Go for a while, you should already have one, as you know, regular USB devices are still mainstream. But all in all, they said with this built-in battery, you should have a standby time of around 180 days. That is, if you actually turn the unit off every single time you close your Surface Go. And they said it's around 6 hours, 4 to 6 hours, depending on if you have the backlight on or off with continuous use. So you should get a full day out of it, no problem. But it didn't take that long to charge up this little battery, so it should only take an hour or so. But that is pretty much it. If you see, the back of it is still that nice leatherette surface. I'm not sure if this is actually Alcantara like the Surface Go keyboard. But final thoughts, this little Surface Go keyboard will actually come in handy for me, being it is Bluetooth, and if I want to use it with my phone. As well as the main selling point of this keyboard is the price at $49.99 right now on Amazon. It also includes a 10% off coupon at the time of this video. Definitely a lot cheaper than the Alcantara version, which is $130, or the standard one, which is around $100. So I definitely would recommend this model. A lot easier to type. The P, I always found myself having trouble hitting the P keys, as well as the arrow keys are more spaced out. So definitely would recommend this, and you get to have cool colors as well, which I really like this green, and it is a gray, which is more in line with the silver of the actual unit. So all right guys, that will do it for me. Hope you enjoyed this product review video, the Inateck Surface Go keyboard, and the link will be in the description. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Have a great evening. Take care.